take food sensitivity, vitamins, and gut health test with me. As a new mom on the health journey, I love to try different ways to improve my well-being. That's why I'm doing this very popular at-home test from Advanced Food Intolerance Labs. I have to cut around 10 strands of hair as close to the root as possible. So like somewhere here. I have extensions, so my hair is like up to here. This is my hair and these are my extensions. I have to make sure that I don't cut the extensions. I did not cut them, but I cut way too much. I'm just gonna cut the bottom part. And that's it. I just put it in the bag and ship it to the lab. The main reason I want to take this test is because I wanted to detect heavy metal exposure and my body's mineral levels. You know, heavy metals are so common because of the pollutions and the food that we eat, the products that we use, and food is not what it used to be. It does not have mineral. So I take this test to see what I'm missing. No time to ship it, and a little bit dense to drag it on in my car and drop it off.